paragraph about them. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a set of sentences about a topic. A book is made up of many paragraphs that work together to tell information or a story. Paragraphs can have a main idea and supporting details that back up the main idea. Before I start writing, I take notes and gather ideas. Now I'm ready to write a topic sentence. But what is a topic sentence? Well, the topic sentence is the sentence that tells you the thesis or the main idea. It tells what the whole paragraph will be about. I want to write about how cheetahs run really fast. Cheetah can run as fast as a car. Cheetahs have special traits that make them the fastest animals on land. Now I have to add sentences to explain what makes cheetahs so fast. What are supporting details? Supporting details include information that backs up the main idea. They're sentences that hold up the topic sentence. Let me look at my notes. Cheetahs have long, muscular legs. They have long tails that help them turn. They have tough claws that grip the ground as they run. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs don't roar. They chirp. You're right, Moby. That last fact did not support my topic sentence, so I shouldn't use it in this paragraph. I still have plenty of facts here that back up the main idea, though. They have long, muscular legs. They have long tails to help them turn. They have tough claws that grip the ground as they run. Right. My sentences don't really flow together. I can use transitions, which are words that help connect ideas together. Like first, second, third, then, also, and for example. Let's see. Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land because they have special traits. For example, they have long, muscular legs. They also have long tails that help them turn. Finally, they have tough claws that grip the ground as they run. Great! Now there's just one more sentence I have to write. What is a closing sentence? A closing sentence sums up the paragraph. It can state the main idea in different words, or it can be a thought that ties all the ideas together. All these special traits show that cheetahs are built for speed. What do you think, Moby? Now I'm almost done. The last step is to proofread my work and make sure I don't have any spelling or grammar mistakes. Hey, Moby, can you look over it too? Moby? Moby?